So let me show you how to add a root to a wig that doesn't have one. So we're going to work on this wild thing. This is a fashion wig. I'm not going to trash it. I'm going to hang on to this and see if we can salvage it. This is our unrooted wig. And I just love it because it has the tinsel in there. This is going to work on your luxury wigs too. What you need is an alcohol marker. The color that I have on this one is shade 92, which is called chocolate. Usually they come in with a dual-ended tip, and the other end is the chisel end, like that. So you can use whichever side that you want to use. I'm going to swap this out. We're going to see if I can do this with the lace. The lace in my face. You just start painting that in. Yeah, this isn't going to work. I can't do this on my head. I have to take this off. I don't want to get it on your lace because it would dye your lace. But I'm just painting that in. Probably where I'm going to part that. Now you're thinking, that doesn't look so good. I'm just trying to give you the general idea. We're not going to do this whole wig. The other thing that you need is alcohol, because these are alcohol markers. So we're going to add a little alcohol to a paper towel. You could do this with a paintbrush. You could do it with a toothbrush, Q-tip, any of those things. So I'm up here at my studio, so I don't have all those things. I have a paper towel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend this. So right here on the edge where it's really harsh, I'm going to take that alcohol and just start feathering that color. Can you see how that's working? You can take it all the way off if you're not careful. So if you mess up, it's not forever with alcohol. You just keep playing with it until you get the look that you want. That is going to look a whole lot better to me because I like a root. Let me put this back on. See? I can't see anything except this lace. If I were to go through and really root all of this, I think it's going to make a huge difference with this wig. I think I would color this because I don't like white up by my face. So I think all of this needs to be low lighted, and that can be done with that marker. Let me show you. I know this for a fact because I've already done this little wig. This one did not have a root, and I have added a root. I've not blended it all the way yet, but it will stay even after you wash it. Now, it might fade a little bit, so this might be something that you would have to touch up every now and then. See if it's picking up that, just blending the color. But I have added this root to this little wig. Let me put this on and show you. We'll do it on this wig too. Okay, we're going to try to do it. I don't do this when it's on my head. I do it in my lap, but we're going to see if I can do it in the camera. Okay, so let's go with this piece right here. Just paint it in. You can make the root as big as you want or just a small little bit of a root. And then blending it with the alcohol is the neatest trick. Now these are alcohol markers, so they tend to dry lighter. So just remember that it's going to dry. You might have to come back and do layers, which I like. I don't like to just go in and that be it. I like layering it up, going slow and layering it up. Now this chocolate that I'm using, this number 92, is a warm shade. My understanding is that all of these markers across brands, that the color code should stay the same. This is the part here at the bang, and I'm just going to add a little bit more shadowing. To me, a root also hides permatease, and this is a little cheapy wig that has a lot of permatease that you can see. It hides it. So that is what we've got, and I'm going to blend that. Got this harsh edge here, so I'm going to blend that with the alcohol. And like I was saying, you could use all kinds of tools for this. I just feel like I'm covering a lot more area with my paper towel. And that is all there is to it. Sometimes you run across a deal and you can't pass it up. You need that open box wig and it doesn't have a root, and you need a root. You just feel like you have to have a root. Well, now you can have one just like that. Easy peasy. Look at that. Isn't that a neat trick? All right, so what do you think? Did y'all know how to do that? Did y'all know that you could root a wig with a marker? Okay, y'all have a good one. Bye, y'all.